Now, pre-wedding photo shoots now the trend for inside Nigeria. Now, couples and even their photographers, don't they come up with innovative way to announce their big day. We want to list out 10 and show you the pictures, 10 types of pre-wedding photos where they are out there right now, and you go judge on whether this one they worthy to be called a pre-wedding photo or not. Now, the people who actually put this one together are at theinfong.com, so we want to talk about what they put together. Now, number one, they call them the I Believe I Can Fly. I believe I can fly. Okay, this one a pre-wedding photo. The girl, they like that. The girl actually stay on top board and raise her back leg up, while the boy, yes. So now that they come outside talk, say this is pre-wedding photo go wrong. Because which kind of message did they try to disseminate from this particular video?
Now the photographer I blame, because I don't want to believe say the couple actually stand.
But you, let's blame the people now, because if photographer tells you, say, Vatiana, do your nose like this, you go quickly do one.
No, we make her explain something. Now, some people know, when it comes to taking pictures, some people know, it be like say when you go studio now, you want snap photo. I don't see photographer, I go tell you, say, sister, do like this. You can't give your position, you say your back.
Tolo position.
It's not tolo, you no good. Now you go say, bro, Safana, but my back, they pay me, you want my breakaways. Now that time, they go say, hey, okay, you don't fit do that one. Oh, yeah, bend like this, then they give you nonsense posture. And you don't even understand what's in there, but because say you want snap, and I don't tell you, say, oh, this photographer, they're very, very good. When you snap it, oh, your picture, so beautiful. Now you say, go, they pose like tolo.
You know what's happening? Many people are there.
Don't stretch yourself. I know, don't have to stretch yourself. Because plenty of others today what you're going to need to talk about. I tell you. Now, make we look number two. Number two, they call them a sign of what to come.
Okay.
Let's see this number two picture. Now, for the picture, you go see the woman. She hold the boy neck up.
I see that one.
Exactly. I don't understand. Is this a pre-wedding photo? What did they try to show?
No, this not
but you know say this one no be real.
Not
be real for real.
So now pre-wedding photo, what are you saying?
Now, how she take use one and lift them up? How is that possible ever?
See, whether say an artistic work at the end of the day.
Artistic work.
But why they think like that for their own wedding?
Artistic work.
Let's say she forced her to propose.
Now wait till I want to talk. Say many people want make their own day unique, but eventually the uniqueness no go come make sense. It could just be like say you can't go pick the idea out of gutter.
All right, welcome back. Now, we don't give you a lot of pre-wedding photo. We don't give you like 2 now, pre-wedding photo, and you go judge them whether this one is worthy to be called a pre-wedding photo or not. We don't give you 1 and 2. Now, time for number 3, when a bed is unnecessary. Let's see the picture of number 3 and pre-wedding photo. They say when a bed is unnecessary. Now, you see this couple, they use blanket to cover themselves.
Could they catch
them? They use blanket to cover themselves.
Could they catch them? No, maybe not during
no
Ramadan.
See,
Oh, okay, no. May I explain this one? This one, you just tell the girl, say, for better, for worse, even when rain they fall, I will be your blanket.
But truthfully, I like this one.
All right, so let's see number 4, whether you will like him. When we were in primary school, now this particular couple decided to take them back to when they did primary school. I don't know whether they really did primary school then, and they dressed like primary school students.
I like this
one. I like this
one.
The simplicity. I like.
All right, so let's see number 5. Sitting on a bride prize. Now they call this one. Now you go see the girl, she sit down on top generator, and you go see keg of foil by the side.
This is inspired by fuel scarcity in Nigeria. Nobody fit tell me another thing.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Now you don't see this one. Now number 6. I will light your fire.
I will light your
Steve Village setting. Now Steve Village setting. And she they cook, and the man just sit down by the side, they watch her.
This one self no bad.
It's nice.
But now wow. So then light fire, put pots, everything on top
take time. Okay.
They just take on traditionally.
My dear.
All right. So number 7.
Wait, before you go ahead though, but you know say that guy they try to give that girl preference to say, anything go around a village we do. I say go just pot carry them and go village. Okay.
Let's see number 7 picture. Traditional love in a modern setting. Still, they wear traditional attire, and she they cut leaf.
So you feel say when they marry, she go the cut leave, the guy to go there by herself for inside kitchen.
I just feel say
they want ball.
I feel they too extreme.
You go sweat inside the kitchen tire.
All right, number 8, Village Love. I like say we don't see this one times that number. Village Love, you see the girl carry leaf for head, and the man stand by her side. Village Love.
And then the man, they control the goats.
Yeah, they control the goats, yeah.
But I like them.
I don't like this one.
Number 9, NYSC Love. They actually see for inside NYSC. They decide to marry, and they use the bag.
This one's still there, okay. Maybe they actually meet for NYSC, so it makes sense.
And the last one, Club Things.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
They take the picture for inside club.
Because now there they meet.
Because now maybe not there they meet. Let's see this last picture, Club Things. You go see the girl and the boy inside club. See them? I don't understand the kind pose. I really don't understand.
Wow, the future of this marriage is very bright.
Very, very bright.
No, it just reminds me of one thing. Yaya song, Your Waist.
All I want is your waist.
Oh, shit.
You know what? We don't see 10 pre-wedding photos now. What be the idea of pre-wedding photo to you? To you, as in what you understand by pre-wedding photos? Because we don't see a lot of extreme photos for you. What be the idea behind these pre-wedding photos? And you feel so Nigerians, they really take them to the extreme? To show that we are too creative.
If you ask me.
So we don't even know why pre-wedding photos come
Who
For real. I don't know.
You never really, never really sit down to reason why pre-wedding photos.
I did tell you, but for me, I think say maybe the reason why we take her now because we know see on that day we go 1 point jotter, we get calendar, we need our picture to do inside the jotter, to do on top of the calendar. But outside that, I don't see any other reason for pre-wedding photo.
I don't see some people borrow a lot of things for pre-wedding photo.
Borrow
dress, borrow shoe.
Why?
Oh, it's my pre-wedding photo. Borrow hair. I need a Brazilian hair for my pre-wedding photo. Even borrow money to pay photographer because now to do pre-wedding photo, it's from 50,000 upwards.
But I don't turn out to another
So
thing.
I'm telling you, so a lot of people they borrow, and I know my sister talks says she not they do pre-wedding photos and she not doing, but marriage is still going on well.
Because
so
I don't see the importance. I don't see the importance for real. Because if you call my album now, my wedding album, I'm not sure any pre-wedding picture.
Photo.
I don't understand when they cut, when they date, I know there's not photo.
I don't know. Some people they use them as a way of showing off.
Let
me show off my husband.
Now by picture.
And the time when they date before he proposed, before the wedding, I know they show on herself.
It's not enough. Wow. It's not enough.
You know what, example, we just want to Nigerians just want to because they hear foreign people they do. I'm not just copy.
And you know what?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.